Introducing myPractice Dashboards. Curve Dental has upgraded our business intelligence dashboards with a powerful new engine. The new myPractice dashboards offer superior performance and functionality. myPractice dashboards will replace the existing Playbook dashboards in Curve Hero. myPractice dashboards are accessed from the More menu in Curve Hero. The dashboards will open in a new browser tab, making it easier to focus on the content. The main analytics page is displayed first. Depending on the option selected, the main page will either display all of the available dashboards or only the dashboards that were recently opened. The dashboards can be opened from either the main page or in the Dashboards menu. After a dashboard is selected, the dashboard will open. The title, description, and dashboard view will display in this page. For multi-clinic offices, a filter on the right side is also available for filtering the clinics presented in the myPractice dashboards. To expand the viewing area of a dashboard, the Filters menu can be hidden by clicking the arrow located to the left of the Filters menu. Here are some of the high-level features available with myPractice dashboards. PDF export. myPractice dashboards feature a smooth workflow to generate PDF content for printing or sharing outside of Curve Hero. Each dashboard can be printed by clicking the PDF button. Page formats for PDFs easily transfer between portrait and landscape orientations, and it is easy to change paper sizes. The PDF export engine also features user control over the header and footer, allowing users to print only what is required. Download as image or CSV. Each myPractice dashboard view can also be downloaded as an image or CSV, giving practices the freedom to work with myPractice data in other applications and experiences. Inline filtering. Each myPractice dashboard features efficient filtering right in the dashboard, allowing users to analyze and focus on key metrics. Controls for each view. Each myPractice dashboard view includes the options to view additional details, expand the size of the view to fill the screen, and also access additional controls. For more information on filtering, downloading, and other on-screen features, see the community article link in the description. Contextual animation. When discussing myPractice dashboards, the animation tool provides animations and a graphic presentation that helps to contextualize the content. For example, clicking on a section of a pie chart will break it out of the diagram, allowing everyone viewing the chart to better understand what is being targeted. Easy links to community. Each myPractice dashboard features a handy Learn More link, pointing to a specific Curve community article describing the use and functionality of the dashboard. Here are a few examples of the myPractice dashboards. The Aging Summary dashboard provides an overview of the clinic's aging, which indicates the breakdown between responsible party, RP aging and insurance aging, to assist in outlining aging categories that require additional attention. For more information on the Aging Summary dashboard, see the community article link in the description. The Patient Demographics dashboard includes general information about patients to better understand the patient demographics in a practice. For more information on the Patient Demographics dashboard, check out the link to community article in the description. The Pediatric Patient Demographics dashboard provides a general overview of the pediatric patient base, up to the age of 18 years to better understand the younger patient demographics in a practice. This benefits a practice in many ways when planning what is required in a practice for the pediatric patient base. See the community article link in the description for more information about the Pediatric Patient Demographics dashboard. myPractice dashboards feature a number of production-related business intelligence tools. The dashboards included in this category are: Current Year Production, Current Year versus Previous Year Adjusted Production, Current Year versus Previous Year Production, and the Procedure Mix dashboard. The Current Year Production dashboard provides an outlook of production and adjusted production for the current year broken down into relevant time periods. This dashboard permits an office to track its production throughout the year to aid in forecasting future revenue and to help provide a better idea of what realistic production goals can be achieved in the coming months. For more information on the Current Year Production dashboard, See the community article link in the description. The current year versus previous year adjusted production dashboard provides an outlook of a practice's adjusted production for the current year, broken down into relevant time periods. Adjusted production is the sum of production and adjustments that were made over the same time period. For more information on the current year versus previous year adjusted production dashboard, see the community article link in the description below. The current year versus previous year production dashboard enables offices to track production throughout the year and compare it to various periods from the previous year. See the community article link in the description for more information on the current year versus previous year production dashboard. The procedure mix dashboard displays the top producing procedures and categories by production, as well as by the number of times the procedure was performed. This data allows a practice to visualize and track the main revenue sources and determine how providers are spending their time. For more details about the procedure mix dashboard, check out the community article link below. This update represents a major step forward for Curve Dental to create, present, and expand our business intelligence offering. We hope you enjoy using the new myPractice dashboards. Thank you for watching.